Ukhrul police have successfully recovered 80% of the weapons looted during violent clashes between villagers over a land dispute earlier this month. IGP IK Muiva announced the recovery during a press briefing today and said that intensive search operations will continue until all looted arms are accounted for. The recovered weapons including 2 carbines, 6 Insas rifles, 8 9mm pistols, 3 AK rifles, 1 SLR and various ammunition were displayed at the Ukhrul police station. The event was attended by senior officials including DIG Warngam Ningshin, DC Ukhrul Juringla Kengu and Ukhrul SP Kartik Malathi among others. Muiva revealed that additional security personnel have been deployed to the district headquarters to prevent further confrontations between the villages of Ukhrul or Hunfun and Hungpung. The IGP confirmed that the IG Ningshin and Kamzong SP Ningshem Vasum have been assigned to support the local administration in restoring order, working alongside the border security force and the Assam Rifles. He acknowledged the crucial role of civil society organizations and local leaders in the recovery efforts, urging continued cooperation from residents. The violence, which erupted on October 2, resulted in the deaths of 4 individuals, including 1 police officer, and left around 40 others injured.